what she said. How can you say it's coaching?
Do you have ears? I've been hearing it for 3 sets. Do you have ears? Connected to your head? Use them. You can use them if you want. All right? Good. You want me to send you a fax or an email so you can check it out, or what? No? 1 foot from the ball. I'm going to speak very slowly so that you can understand me. You don't think, had I not heard a call, I couldn't have touched the ball? 100% I could listen for a second instead of talking all damn day. You don't think I could have touched the ball? 100% I could not have touched the ball. You're an idiot. You have to be like a second grade dropout to be an umpire? You go to school until you were 8 years old? He played the shot. Yes. You can't be, you have to stop it immediately, right?
He did.
You have to hit.
Hey, Andy. 13-15. Again. The first set.
I was out, but the same guy on the far sideline. Hey, you got it right, but maybe she's moving. For me, it was very clear. I was standing right there. So changer. Where's the supervisor? Supervisor.
Did you see it out? What are you here for? You can't call it out.
She was like affected by the fact that he said, come on, that's a junior trick, and she got affected by it. So move her over here.